Hi guys, my name's Nige, but everyone calls me Nige, so you can call me Nige. Today we're going to be working with shrimp. Today we're going to be doing prosciutto wrapped honey branded shrimp. So I'm going to list all the ingredients in the description box, but let's get started. I'm going to be using my MASSON Brandy first just to drizzle over the shrimp. And then I'm going to go in with my seasonings. I'm really going to try to put measurements in the description box with the list of ingredients. But just bear with me because I do like to season based on my taste. So if I say, a fourth of garlic powder and you like an eighth, adjust to your liking. But I'm just giving you the foundation, but you build the house. So after giving that a good stir with my hand, I'm actually going to let it sit overnight, okay? So it can marinate and everything can really just suck into the shrimp. So the next day I actually go in with some Chardonnay on top of the shrimp, but you can use any Chardonnay you have. So now we're going to go in with our prosciutto. Prosciutto is Italian ham that's very thinly sliced. It's not like regular ham, so if you're used to, God, Nige, you couldn't even wait, Jesus. I'm just going to take some Pam on a non-stick spray, but I just put butter just so the butter can actually help the cook time of the shrimp and they can actually just taste better because I like butter. Now this part, I'm just taking a piece of prosciutto and wrapping it around the shrimp. Just take your time. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So just take your time and just roll it and wrap it to it being mostly on the meaty part. Don't necessarily put it towards the tail because you don't want to eat the tail of the shrimp anyway, but I cook with the tails on because the tail really holds the flavor. So just take your time while wrapping, no rush. Also, while you're wrapping, you should be preheating your oven to about 350. This is a really great time for the shrimp to cook. Right before they're just about done, you want to take them out and drizzle some honey on them, and this is going to give them a really nice little shine to them, a little gloss, and then you want to stick them back in the oven. After that, I just chop up some green onion for garnish, and then after that, I actually put them in a tin throwaway pan because I'm in the midst of moving, so I just put them in there all cute and stuff, and there you go, honey branded prosciutto wrapped shrimp. Be on the lookout for the next one. Bye, guys.